What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another RTE Car Detailing video. And in this video, this guy right here, he's gonna share how much he's making per job, so you could be inspired to raise those prices.
Let's go.
Because I know when you were first starting,
man,
you were losing money,
I wasn't charging nothing.
There you go.
We was just building relationships. I believe in the beginning.
But now you raise your prices, right?
Yes, sir. I had to.
There you go. So you're about to find out how much he charges for different jobs to help you grow your car detailing business. Let's get started.
Let's go. All right, so the basic cleaning, I used to charge $35 for inside and out. Can y'all believe that? $35.
What's the basic cleaning?
Basic,
simple wash?
It's the wash on the body, inside vacuum, wipe down, tire shine, windows clean, the whole thing, everything but the engine and the seats we weren't doing. $35, I was out there spending anywhere from 1 hour and 30 to 2 hours. $35, you guys, depending on the size, how small or how big.
So for example, a small sedan, a small car, 4 doors, how much would you charge for that?
So a sedan, I'm charging $75. Charging $75 for sedans, and that's still also based on condition. Because you could come and do a basic cleaning and that thing can be destroyed.
So pretty much you got to charge by how big and also how much work you have to put into it.
Exactly. So 75 sedans and 3 rows is 120, 3-row SUV sedans. And then you got the lifted trucks. I charge $100 because you got to clean under the wheels and all that. So it's a little extra cleaning, so you got to charge.
Now, that's a simple wash. What's the next thing above that?
The next thing I would say clay bar and wax. All right, so clay bar and wax for a sedan would be $150, all right? So the clay bar is taking the contaminants off the vehicle, and then we apply the wax so it'll last longer and it smooths out the surface of your vehicle. Then a little bit higher than that, we got the SUV or trucks, anything that's bigger, that's gonna be $200, clay bar and wax.
That's the prices. People want to know, how much are you investing in your supplies? Because that ain't free. Like for example, you have a water tank back here.
Yes, sir.
How much does that cost to fill up?
To fill up? Well, I mean, I fill up wherever I'm at. You know, I ask the clients, can I just fill up the water and, hey.
You get water for free 99?
Man, free 99. I used to drive all the way back home and fill up, and that is very inconvenient.
Okay. So, how much are the supplies costing you?
I buy them by the gallon, so I buy 5 gallons of products, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the store. But every now and then I'll go and get little things here and there. I'll spend about $50 a week, and then when I buy it in bulk, I'll spend about a good $500 every 4 months, 4 to 5 months. So buy the big supply, buy everything where you can fill everything up yourself.
Where do you get your stuff from?
I get it from, what's the name?
Do you go to different places, or do you just go to one place that sells everything?
I go to one store and I do not remember it off the top of my head.
I'll put it right here, don't worry about it. Give me a little bit later.
I really forgot, bro.
No, you're good. But let me ask you, what's your biggest expense running a car detailing business? Is it labor? Is it supplies? Is it the gas?
Bro, it's so low maintenance when it comes to expense. Like, it's not even really a big problem. For gas, I spend about $100 a week. Supplies, $500 every 4 to 5 months. Okay. It's really low to do this business, bro. The thing I spend the most on is upgrading equipment. You know what I mean? I started off with the Bissell Pro extractor, then I spent $1,300 on the top of the line extractor, and then the steamers, you know, it's mostly on upgrades, you guys.
So now we're about to tell you how much he makes, roughly on average. But before we do, Hunter, what can they find you at, man?
You can find me on YouTube, Hunter's Vending. I got a vending channel. You can find me on Hunter's Mobile Detailing. You can find me on Instagram, Hunter's Mobile Detailing. Facebook, same thing, and Google me.
So now, what the people want to know, how much are you making?
Man, the mobile detailing business is very profitable, you guys, and you can make anywhere from $600, this is what I'm making $600 to $1,200 a day, you guys. It's been a blessing.
Because earlier we did a car for $490, and then another car hit you up for $350, what was it, detail?
Yes. And they want me to go back right now to go take care of that, man.
Hey, bro.
In one day.
Dang.
So that's just 2 details, you guys.
How many cars do you do a day during the week, and what's your busiest day?
Okay, so consistently I do around 4 to 6 cars a day.
Well, what days do you notice people want their car cleaned the most? Is it Mondays?
Honestly, it's all over. I can't even really, I guess I would have to say Saturdays. Saturdays or Fridays or Saturdays is the busiest.
So there you go. Hopefully you enjoy this knowledge, and hopefully this is gonna help you start a car detailing business. Yo, Hunter, can I tell you something?
What's up, man?
I think I'm in the wrong business. I gotta start a car detailing business.
Come on.
You gonna help
slacking.
me or what? You gonna help me?
Let's go, man.
All right, cool. Hey, so hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and if you did, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.
Go.